All right, guys, welcome to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Kyle Karges, and here in this channel, we talk everything real estate and personal development. Today's video, we're talking about my real estate investing strategies, which ones are the most profitable for the year 2022. This video is going to be a little unique because I'm going to try my best to explain how the beginning of the year went, what I'm doing now, we're about halfway through, and how the rest of the year, what my strategies are and how I plan those to work out. So the beginning of 2022 was exactly the same as 2021. The market was racing off. You could sell your house for $30,000 more than what you were listing it for. So we heavily invested in house flips because we would project how much we would make, and then we would just make hands over fist more on everyone because everyone was paying more. I don't know if there was a better time to do house flipping than in 2021 and the beginning of 2022. Our second most profitable at the beginning of the year was Airbnb. I actually wish that we did even more of them. The problem was every house we looked at, because house flipping was so incredibly lucrative, it would pencil out for an Airbnb, but when you compare the two, you would make so much more money house flipping. So we just doubled down. We did so many more house flips, but house flips and Airbnb were our most profitable for the first half of 2022. So that gets us caught up until now. We're shifting because inflation has gone crazy. The Fed has raised the bank trading rates interest, right? Which also is directly related, right, to the mortgage rates. We have seen the mortgage rates double. We have seen buyers that used to qualify for loans not be able to qualify anymore. And we have seen the 15 offers on day one go down to no offers on day one. That fake money that, oh, the house yesterday sold for $400,000. I think I can get 430 today, right? That fake extra money vanished like that overnight. Okay, and that's not how you should be investing anyways, right? We have always, and I always would recommend to you, to run your numbers based on real comparisons, right? That home that closed yesterday should be your expectation of what to get, and the extra would just be the extra toppings to your ice cream. With that said, that is what's happening right now. We are still flipping right now. We have had some in the pipeline. We are still buying as well, right? We are just being smarter. We are buying at a deeper discount to offset the extra time that it's taking and some of that decrease that we've already seen, right? That fake money plus in some areas a little correction. Now, everyone still year over year are still up in their homes. Houses have still not gone down. It has just wiped out a few months back of the profit. With that said, what am I going to do going forward till the end of 2022? What we will be doing is buying a lot more Airbnbs. We will still be buying house flips using methods to save cash. I do think if the market were to dramatically shift, we want to be able to take advantage of those. Only with cash can you take advantage of those opportunities. So we will be saving our cash. So that has an effect on our strategy. Also, one thing is sellers, they lag the market with their mindset on what their house is worth. So in these first few months, right, they think their home is still worth the amount that they thought it was before things shifted. And their house is going to sit on the market. A house that is properly priced might still take 60 days to sell. A house that is overpriced might be sitting on the market a lot longer and eventually will sell for a lot less. So for me to buy right now, I need to shift my strategy to try to give the sellers more of what they're asking for. But I still have to protect myself. So the strategies we're going to be employing for the next couple months will definitely be seller financing and subject to. If you want to know more about these subjects, I'll have them put a little card up here. We just had a video come out last week that goes into a little bit more detail about that for you. We're employing those strategies right now. We'll continue to employ those strategies throughout the rest of the year as well. I do think there'll be another shift after a couple months where sellers come to grip a little bit more and they start to lower their prices. So that way we employ more of our cash, right? But also continuing to do the subject to and seller financing, okay? So those are the strategies that I plan to employ, along with continuing to do house flips for the rest of 2022. Let's make sure we keep in mind what's going on with the market. Let's stick to the principles of real estate investing and make sure we're adjusting for what's going on. So hopefully that has helped you understand what I'm doing. I hope you all are investing, starting to invest. Now can be still a great time to do it. So if you're not already, keep watching. We come out with videos every Thursday. So make sure, like and subscribe. Don't miss them. Until the next one, I'll see you then.